All right, so your current setup, your RO is in a big white housing like this, and you have a brass assembly for your back pressure assembly that kind of mounts like this, and you have two tubes that kind of come down here, and then one tube that goes up to them. What you're going to do is you're going to remove that whole assembly from your white housing before you dismount your white housing, and you're not going to use this again. I'm going to send you a new back pressure assembly that's a lot more simple to go mount to your new stainless steel housing and RO. Okay. When you're taking this off, you're going to have these large plastic block mounts, and what I want you to do is once you get this off and out, you're gonna take those block mounts off. You're gonna take those bolts out, and we're gonna use one of the holes for each of those block mounts. I know there's 2 holes per block mount. We're gonna replace those block mounts with these clamps here. Okay, so you can unscrew this here, and you can actually bend these open. But what we want to do is we just want to mount this through one of the holes and just have one bolt mount for each clamp, one up high and one down low. And this is going to give you a better squeeze on this stainless steel housing than your existing mounting clamps. Okay, so first thing, remove your back pressure brass assembly. You're not going to use that again. Then you're going to disconnect your tubing from the top, that push fitting there. You can disconnect your center tubing, which is your good water. You're going to disconnect all that. Then you're going to remove your clamps so that you can take this out, and then you're just going to take this out, and this whole plastic thing can go in the dumpster. Okay, we don't want it back because they're discontinued, and so that's why we're replacing them with these stainless steel housings. Okay, so once that's out, you're going to mount both of your clamps first. Remove this bolt here so you can kind of open these up, bend these open, where you'll be able to slide this in. Okay, once those are mounted, you're going to take this. This already has your membrane in it, and I labeled it the top and then the bottom, but just so you know, what you know is the top, it'll have a plug in the middle and a 1/2 inch push fitting on the top. The bottom will have a 3/8 push fitting in the middle and nothing here. We're going to mount our back pressure assembly here once this is after you mount this to the wall. So don't put your assembly on and then try to mount it, because if you drop it, you're going to crush your assembly. Okay, and it can be a little heavy and hard to mount. Okay, so once you slide these on, slide this into your clamps, get your clamps set. Okay, and we feel good that this is secure on the wall. Then you can add this elbow to the top to get your hose to it. Okay, that just pushes in. And also, we are going to mount this back pressure assembly so after this is already mounted to the wall. So what I recommend is you're going to screw this in here. Okay, once that's screwed in, all right, it's already taped up, but I'm going to send you some extra tape just in case. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Take your time getting that set. Screw that in, and then you should have enough length on your on this 3-inch nipple to just go ahead and screw that in all the way. And then you're only going to have one tube come here. This is your bad water, and this is your good water. Your good water, this tube should go, you should be able to trace it all the way to your reservoir tank. The tube that connects here, you should be able to trace it all the way to the floor drain in the back. Okay, and then you can control your back pressure. I'm going to pull it out here, and then you should, once you have everything plugged in, you should be able to kick on your machine, pressurize it, and test it out. If you have any problems, just give me a call.